pretend you don't know what the fuck he's talking about. Talk about that bullshit review. Get the fuck out of mine.
It's been so long since I fucking tried doing this shit. I always forget that. I want one with no button, dude. I always try to fucking do it and then...
Mentality is a crippling disease that attacks your nervous system. It makes you nervous of the system. Gangsters and immigrants are especially susceptible to this growth-stunted mentality.
Dude, where's that one corner?
That is where I'm from.
Me and Chris were driving around here, and they had this awesome fucking corner.
That is where I'm from.
Fucking, I hate one tire fire.
I'm a real killer, yeah, my urban gorilla. I'm a stack skrilla, yeah, buy me a villa. Sell a 5-0 to my auntie Priscilla. I don't give a fuck, that shit look like a thriller. Hit that shit one more time and fuck around and kill her. Cause I got the heart of a
that shit broke loose that time.
Black nigga draped in gold with a 9 mil. Love money, love jail, love that penitentiary mail. Love the way this nigga still keep coming back. Love to see my mama cry, love to see my baby struggle, love to see my woman juggle nuts cause she got the hustle. I don't give a fuck how my life go.
That guy's like,
man to this caveman without
damn it.
Everybody wanna call might go a psycho, but he ain't never came through the hood with a rifle. Gunning niggas down cause
this is where, remember when Joe was talking about when I had to break into his truck? We were parked right there.
Just like homes, first I was bloodthirsty, Mr. Controversy, now I wanna beg for mercy.
Dude, that shit broke loose quick right there.
Don't wanna shake that hood mentality. How the fuck we supposed to change our reality? If you don't wanna shake that hood mentality, how the fuck we supposed to change our reality? If you don't wanna shake that hood mentality,
it doesn't like going right.
how the fuck we supposed to change our reality? If you don't wanna shake that hood,
yeah, it really doesn't like going either direction.
we supposed to change our reality?
God damn it, dude. Why is it so hard this time?
I'm gonna be on all so fuck that thinking, fuck the Lincolns. How a Franklin's come back in here with my crew. I'm gonna have my own shoot. I'm gonna be that little fool coming in your living room. Start point guard, nigga, fresh out of middle school. Either it's the NBA or it's the NFL. I don't know what.
There's like no stop signs anyway.
My ass up out of jail. I wanna be like Tiger Woods, swing that club, make you sick. I wanna be like Pac-Man Jones.
I wanna get this roundabout.
I wanna be like Gary Bonds. I wanna be like O.J. Simpson. See this field, lead this prison. Tell you motherfuckers where to kiss him. I wanna be all broke up, moving all old and slow. I wanna be an alcoholic just like Broadway Joe. I wanna be a sideshow, kinda like Iron Mike. Used to have a few pennies, now I just ride a bike. If you don't wanna shake that hood mentality, how the fuck we supposed to change our reality? If you don't wanna shake that hood mentality, how the fuck we supposed to change our reality? If you don't wanna shake that hood mentality, how the fuck we supposed to change our reality? If you don't wanna shake that hood mentality, I'm hood, we supposed to change our reality. Fuck school, nigga, they ain't trying to educate me. All they give a fuck is what I memorized lately. I'm gonna have to teach myself, find that money, get that wealth. I wanna be like Santa Claus, I don't wanna be no fucking elf. No kid left behind, but he get to run around. Can't you motherfuckers see that they trying to dumb us down? Don't trust the government, president is for sale. He don't give a fuck about a nigga, just an oil well. Sell crack, go to jail, bust a rap, go to hell. Oh, I got to sell my soul if I wanna
feel right
go to jail. Go kiss Oprah's ass if you wanna be Gail. I'd rather have my ass kissed up in Bloomingdale. You can go be a pimp, you can go be a hoe, but you only gon' get paid off what you know. If you don't know shit, then you can't work for me, cause you read your first book in the penitentiary. If you Wanna shake that hood mentality. We supposed to change our reality.
I can feel it like.
Shake that hood mentality. What's your prayer?
You feel it like catching a knot.
Wanna shake that hood mentality. Wanna keep it hood. We supposed to change our reality. Wanna shake that mentality. You tell me where you gonna change our reality. Where you gonna move to?
Like, do it.
I know where I'm gonna move to.
It like goes right hella easy.
Yeah. Oh, this is such a good corner.
Yeah.
Too bad. You have no control now. I know. None. Whatever. That's fun.